Good morning, sir. Good morning to all the members. Now we are going to discuss about yesterday's continuation, so facets and basis conceptual working sheet. Yes, that whatever conceptual worksheet, it's totally depending on the pH scale and as well as the indicators. Okay, now. Yes, once again, I remind to you, yesterday we have taken one table. According to the table, there is we have the what actually, yes, how the indicators are behaves. There is a pH scale, is the contain totally 14 numbers. And yesterday I see, I'm already seen you that whatever the pH scale and all the colors and in this one. And now there is a, depending on that pH scale, there is a 1 to 6. In case the pH is given as a 1 to 6, it is called as yes, acid. 7, it is called a neutral. And 8 to 14, it is called as a yes, basis. Okay, clear or not? Yes, depending on that one only, now we are going to discuss about our question. And methanol and as well as the phenolphthalein. Yes, how it is changes for acids and bases, they already discussed. Now, questions, question and answer, we go for it. Yeah. Now there is a what is the taste of a bitter? You know very well. Bases are contain a bitter nature. Salts are not a contain of these two things and all. That is the answer is to become the first one. Answer is B. Basis. The second one. What the correlates metals actually in seed? Both acids, bases, both neither. Okay, chloride metals are nothing but which are reacted with the hydrogen, which are reacted with oxygen. Okay, that called the chloride materials. Here, some acids are given the chloride nature, and some bases are also given the chloride nature. Okay, clear or not? That is why the both are answered. Okay, chloride means what? Yes, Coresian. You know very well, Coresian. Okay, now yes. Why? Because there is a corrosion may occurs on the metals. You know very well when it will be combined with oxygen and as well as hydrogen. Okay, when they contain hydronium ion or hydroxide ions, they become corrosion under that. The metals are accepting hydrogen and oxygen, and because of that, they lost their originality. That is only called as okay, now yes, corrosion, and that is that metals are called corroded materials. Okay, clear or not? Now, the second answer is what? Both. Okay, clear. Next, third one. What is the range of the pH value in a basic solution? Already we have discussed yesterday. Yes, I have given a table for you also, and check in the table. There is a basis are contained. What actually basis are contained? 0 to the 6 it is acid. 8 to the 14 it is the basis. C is a what? C is a what? C7. 7 is nothing but salt. As 0 to the 14, it will be contain all the things. Just they ask about the what? They ask about the basis only, and then the answer is B. Okay, next, fourth one. As Holly as a no unknown substance in a beaker, she wants to determine the relative pH of the unknown substance. She places a piece of a blue litmus paper into the substance, and the litmus paper stay blue only. The substance in the beaker is what? Okay, you know very well. The blue is a become as a blue only. That is the called what? Base only. Okay, now as a neutral pH is an acid does not have a pH. No, it is a contain a pH, and it is a called what actually? It is a called as a blue litmus. It is a called as a blue litmus paper. Got it or not? I hope you got it here. Blue litmus paper is a blue remain like that only. It is a called a base, sorry. And the fourth one is a base. Next, fifth one. What does the pH scale measures? What does the pH scale measures? What does the pH scale measures? Tell me. Yeah, there's acids, bases, both. Sorry. The weight of a liquid, the temperature of a liquid, the density of a liquid, the acidity or alkalinity of a liquid, the acidity and alkalinity of a liquid. There's a potential of hydrogen. pH means what? Yesterday we are discussing logarithmic value, negative logarithmic value of the concentration of hydrogen ions is only called the pH. Yesterday we are discussing. S minus log of H plus ions. Okay, it is only called what? A pH. Okay, na? Yes, this is the measures the both the things. Alkaline is nothing but what? Basis here. Alkalinity, that is called a basis. That another term which is represent alkalinity is nothing but a basis here. Now the sixth question is taken as a what? D. Answer is the D. And the sixth question answer, what can cause chemical bonds? Okay, what can cause chemical bonds here? Yes, the acid, both, base, both, none of them. The both are under the burn only. Yes, clear or not? Yes, the bases are burned. Sometimes acids are regularly. It's a content burning nature. Okay, clear or not? Bases are also burned here. All the students, the strong bases are undergoes the burn. Okay. Yes, burning sensation may not contain, but it is possible to burn actually. Yes, the containers soapy nature. When you take NaOH, it will be burns. Okay, na? Yes, it will be totally tear the paper also. When we are poured it on tear, the NaOH petals are there. Pellets are available for us. Okay, now when we take the pellets on the paper, and after sometimes it will burn. Otherwise, you touch that skins, the upper layer may under burning sensation. Okay, when you take NaOH petals, why? Because NaOH is the strongest acid, strongest base. Sorry, the strongest bases are also okay na undergoes the burning sensation. Okay, now there is a seventh answer. It will be there. Sixth one. Answer is C. Seventh one. Which metal not react with the HCl to produce H2 gas? Okay, clear or not, all the students? Here there is a tin, iron, copper, aluminum. Okay, now yes, there is a tin is only. Okay, clear or not? Metal reactivity nature. There is a not a metal it is. Okay, clear or not, all the students? The carbon, zinc, iron, tin. Yes, this aluminum, potassium. These all are okay. Clear or not, all the students? All are there. Okay, react with the our HCl and produce the what? Yes, hydrogen gases. Yes, just except the tin. Seventh one is the answer is A. And next one. The following is the true for a strong and weak acids except strong acid. Yes, dissociate completely. Weak acid dissociate partially. Strong acid has a high conductivity nature. Weak acid have the low pH value. Yes, the following is the true for a strong and weak acid except. Okay, clear or not? Strong acid dissociate completely. Yes, a weak acid dissociate partially. It's a correct only. Strong acid high conductivity. Yes, here conductivity. D answer is D. Weak acid have the low pH value. Okay, clear or not? Low pH is nothing but it is the acid, strong acid. The value become 1, strong acid, 0, 1, S, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to that, it is a strong acid. 6, 7, 6 to 6.9. It will be weak acidic nature. The answer is, seventh one answer is, eighth one answer is D. Yes, next, ninth one. Which of the following statement is a true concerning acids and bases? An acid mixed with the base neutralize the solution. Acid and bases do not react. An acid mixed with the base makes the acid stronger. An acid mixed with the base makes it stronger. Okay, which of the following statement is a true concerning acids and bases? An acid mixed with the base neutralize the solution. Yes, it is the correct. Yes, ninth one. There is, you know very well, already I am discussing with you HCl plus NaOH the gives right. NaCl plus what? Salt. Sorry, water it is. It is what? Acids and bases are combined with one another. They formed as a salt and water. That's why it is only called what? This reaction is only called what? Neutralized reaction. And next one. Yes, what is it? Acid and bases do not react. Yeah, it is not a correct yes statement. Yes, an acid is mixed with the base makes the acid stronger. Okay, clear or not? Yes, an acid is mixed with the base makes acid is a stronger. No, not it is. It will become as neutralized. Okay, and an acid is a mixed with the base makes base stronger. No, it is not. It is a correct. No one is a stronger. They become neutralized. The loss is their originality. They become somewhat weak only, not a strong. Okay, that's why answer is about A. Ninth answer is A. 10th one. Which of the following statement is the true concerned acids and bases? Yes, an acid is a mix with the base neutralize the solution. Yes, acid and base do not react. Got it or not? Acid and base do not react. An acid mixed with the base, acid stronger. An acid mixed with the base stronger. Okay, once again repeat it here. Which of the following statement is a true concerning acids and bases? An acid is a mix with acid is a mix with the base neutralize the solution. It's a correct only. Acid and the bases do not react. The same question it is given. Na? The question number 9 and 10 is the same. Okay, na? No change in the question. All the students, please note down these all answers. Note down all the answers and keep in your mind the hints. Yeah, next to there is the level 1 questions. Level 1 questions. What the level 1 questions here we consider? The most commonly used indicator in a laboratory is okay, na clear or not, all the students? The most commonly used indicator in a laboratory is methyl orange, litmus, phenolphthalein, universal indicator. The universal indicator is only used in a laboratory. Why? Because the strong acid or a weak acid, strong bases, weak bases, these are all the information we get from the universal indicator. What is that universal indicator? pH scale. Okay, na? Methyl orange and litmus and phenolphthalein. These are may not used every time. Okay, clear or not? Suppose there is one solution may given. It is not a changes. Suppose the salt solution you have take and the base solution you have to take. Okay, now when you are put a litmus paper, it is not a response, but it is a salt or otherwise the basis. How you confirm? No, not it is a possible. Suppose you take a red litmus paper. Yes, the red litmus is a not response for the acids and other salt. Yes, what you consider? It is a salt or a acid. Okay, clear or not? Phenolphthalein not changes the color for acids and not changes for color for yes salts also. Then how you divide it is methyl orange. Methyl orange sometimes looks like a red. Okay, na? Yes, and as well as yellow basis purpose. But it is not a given any color for a neutral solution. Okay, not a change given for a neutral solution. Yes, at that time we can't say na there is it is a acid and it is a basis or it is a salt. When the color is not changes, color is a changes we are concerned. But when the color is not changes, it is not called as acid, not called as basis, not called as salt. It is not decisionary. But in a pH scale, compulsory it is a gives the what our information about the what it is acid or a base and a salt. And also it is a gives the information about what is the nature in a strongest or a weakest. There is a what you consider. Yes, there is a strong or a base or otherwise. Yes, it is a strong and as well as the weak or otherwise the yes whatever acidic nature, whatever basis nature, whatever salt nature. That's why only it is a called a what? It is a called a universal indicator. The first one answer is the what? D. Level 1. In the first one answer is D. Olfactory indicators are. Till now there is one not discussed. There is olfactory indicator. Olfactory indicator is nothing but there is a smell based things. Okay, till now there is a color is only changes now. Yes, olfactory indicator, onion, okay, now vanilla essence, and as well as there is a clove oil. These all are yes olfactory indicator. Okay, the smell may changes. Okay, when acids and bases are okay, yes, are touch with that things, there is automatically what is the changes are occur. The smell of the things are changes. Got it or not? That is called olfactor. Okay, now yes, olfactor indicators. The clove oil is a olfactor indicator. The soap and the rose petals and other the turmeric they changes the colors. Okay, the soap is also contain a slippery nature. That's it. But when we are added the base and acids, it will not changes the color. But a clove oil, the soap is give the smell, but not because of acidic nature and basis nature. But a clove oil is a contain somewhat a basic nature. You know very well. When the teeth pain, okay, na, is not a bear by you or otherwise any people, you suggest to them just to take one clove and put it is on that. Okay, na, or otherwise, yes, chewing it automatically, yes, that will be may somewhat give the relief. Why? Because there is, you know very well, the tooth decay occur because of acidity, whatever contain in our body, whatever the contain in our food. Got it or not? Yeah. The page number is 36. Page number is 36. Acids and bases based. Okay, now yes, and the level 1 questions. The page number 36 it is, and here there is a olfactory indicators are okay now coming the smell change the smell. Okay, clear or not? Just suppose you take onion. Okay, the onion is a cut it is into small pieces and it will be taken on one particular as a cloth and overnight you put it is that and the cloth is works are somewhat as olfactory indicators. Yes, why? Because that somewhat onion juice is attached to this cloth. Okay, the smell may changes when we added the acids and as well as the bases. Okay, especially when we add the base, the smell may changes. Okay, clear or not? For acids, the olfactors are not changes. It's a smell. Why? Because in the acids are contained inside the where inside the yes onions. Okay, now vanilla acids or a clove, they are work for the recognition of acids. Okay, now like that there is we consider acids and as well as the bases. Okay, yes, a tooth decay, especially the tooth decay or our acidity. Yes, that all are depending on the pH scale. Measuring the pH scale, what is the cost for that particular thing? Okay, clear or not? Yes, and after measuring, doctors are suggest the medicine for you. Okay, got it or not? Yes, this is only about the olfactory and as well as the yes about the pH scale in a 10th class. You have the clear information. The pH scale is used in our daily life. Okay, na daily regular life very much. Okay, clear or not? Yes, why? Because you know there is our antacid. Suppose acidity. Okay, now yes, we are using the antacid tablets for acidity decreasing purpose. You know is a what you know basis. Okay, now yes, and as well as there is a for the measuring the acidity in the water. Why? Because aquatic animals are depending on that thing only. More acidity is there, they not get oxygen. Okay, clear or not? Yes, especially France agriculture purpose, they regularly measure the what is the acidity of that particular lake. Okay, clear or not? And as well as there is a earth soil also. Okay, you have in your regular syllabus. Okay, now we are regularly check the earth health. Okay, now by which one? By soil analysis of the earth crust. Okay, when there is a more acidity is there, we are used the basis base fertilizers. Okay, now yes, in case we are that our whatever our soil, it is a contain yes more acidity. We required acidity for the plants. More acidity is not suitable for the plant. Most of the time we are used the what the basis based fertilizers only. Okay, clear or not? Yes, this is only about the pH scale important. Okay, we measure by using the pH only. How much strong acidity is nature is there? How much strong basis nature is there? Okay, these are all the things they consider and they can suggest the what? They suggesting the information to us, and depending on pH scale, we are taking a precaution to remove the acidity or acidity more wherever it will be there. Okay, clear or not? This is only there is so many indicators are there. Olfactory indicators are somewhat useful. Okay, now there is a second answer is A. Third one, metal carbonates and react with the dilutic acid releases the carbon dioxide. Already we are discussed these equations. Okay, now yes, what is that? Metal carbonate, sodium carbonate, or any other things are reacted with the acids. They are produce what? They produce the carbon dioxide gases. You know very well in your regular syllabus also it is there. Eggshell or a marble. These are the what metal carbonates only. When we are taken acids in that, okay, automatically which one is produced for us? Carbon dioxide is the produces. Okay, somewhere sour taste gas may produces, or otherwise when you take a lime water, on the lime water there is a milk like layer is a formed, or otherwise there is when you take a matchstick in front of the test tube of whatever the gas produces, that will be automatically stops this fire. Okay, clear or not? That is only called as yes, carbon dioxide gas. Yes, next. After this, there is we have the what when the magnesium and hydrochloric acid react, they produce the what? Yes, magnesium and as well as the hydrochloric acid is the react. They produce the what? Hydrogen and magnesium chloride. Fourth answer. There is a what we are considered here. Yes, answer is C. The equation when you look at this equation is the what? Magnesium is a combined with the HCl. It is a produce the what? Yes, MgCl2 and as well as the what? Hydrogen gas. The magnesium chloride is it is and hydrogen gas it is. There is it taken to HCl. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yes, this is a called magnesium chloride. That is a called hydrogen gas. Next, sixth one, the level one. Yes, dissolution of acids or bases in a water is yes, exothermic, endothermic, violent, none of this. Okay, it is exothermic reaction. It is exothermic reaction. What is exothermic reaction? You have a doubt about this, I thought. exothermic and endothermic reactions. Yes, when you are taken here, yes, exothermic or endothermic means what you know, when the chemical reaction is going on. At the time of the reaction, there is somewhat heat may produces. Okay, now yes, that is a called exothermic reaction. Got it or not? I hope you got it here. When there is a as acids are added to the yes what base, or it will become neutralized. Okay, and water is produced. But when we added the base or acid, okay, to the water, automatically the all hydronium ions or all hydroxy ions, whatever there in a water, they collide with one another, whatever contain in a bases and acids, and because of that, heat may produces. Got it or not? Yes, when one reaction, the heat is emitted out, that is called exothermic reaction. For a one particular reaction, we require to provide a heat, that is called endothermic reaction. I hope you got it here. What is endothermic? What is exothermic? Yes, exothermic is nothing but excess amount of heat. Excess. Exothermic. Extra heat it is available. It will be come out. Yes, you know very well. Respiration. Our respiration is the exothermic reaction. Got it or not? How? Yes, when you take a food, that food is okay combined with the whatever there is a yes our body oxygen and it burns. Our food is a contain carbon. Okay, that carbon is a what burned in the presence of oxygen. That is the produces some amount of energy, some amount of heat. Okay, now when you check it out, when you from one nostril of your nose is the produce what which type of gas? Hot gas. Okay, when we make like this, like that, automatically what it will be produced? Hot gas may produce. Okay, now clear or not, all the students? I hope you got it here. Here there is that is called exothermic reaction, and for a conducting one chemical reaction, we require some amount of energy, heat energy. That is called endothermic. Okay, when it is a produce the heat, it is a called exothermic reaction. Got it or not? Because of acids and bases are added to the any substance water, it will be produce amount of heat. That is called exothermic reaction. This is equation number sorry, question number is 5. The answer is A. Please note down these all answers. Yeah. Next one, level 2 questions. So what is the level 2 question? Water contains more H plus ions than OH minus ions. In this case, water is okay now. Water contains more H plus ions than OH minus ions. Okay now. In this case, the water is contains somewhat yes acidic nature. It is a contain acidic nature. Clear or not? Yes. All the students, when there is a more H plus ions are there, it is called acids. More OH minus ions are there, it is called bases. Got it or not? That is why the sixth answer is yes, it is a acidic nature. Seventh answer. Okay, now when an acid react with a base, what compound are formed? Okay, acid is a react with the base. What compounds are formed? You know very well. Yes, salts are formed. Salt and water also formed. The answer is D. Not only salt. Okay, now yes, salt and water. Here, what we are considered? Yes, and AOH. You know very well. It is a what? It is a base, and it is a combined with the HCl. It gives rise NaCl plus H2O. Okay, it is a what? Salt and it is a what? Water. This is a neutralizing reaction. You know very well. Okay, clear or not? Yes, acid is a combined with the base. Acid is a combined with the base. It is a produced as salt and as well as the water. This is the reaction. This is only called neutralizing reaction. That is why not only the salt answer, the salt and as well as the water. Next, the 8th question. On a diluting acid concentration of H plus per unit volume. Okay, now you know very well it is a decreasing. Okay, now clear or not? Yes, when we added the somewhat things to the acid, automatically it is called a dilution, diluted acid. We used that is only in our laboratories. Okay, diluted 10% diluted HCl, 30% diluted HCl, like that it will be available. When you check in a bathroom cleaner in a acid also, they written 50% diluted of H plus HCl. It is there. Means what? It is decreases its H plus ions. It's neutralized. Okay, now that is only answer is decreases. Next, 9th one. What is the pH? The positive logarithm of hydronium ions concentration. The positive logarithm of hydrogen ions concentration. Yes, logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. Yes. The negative logarithm of hydroxide ions concentration. The negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. The 9th answer is D. Okay, now that will be taken as minus log of H plus. Minus log H plus. It is only called a what? Yes, this is only called a pH. The pH is equal to taken as minus log of H plus. Okay, not a OH minus log of H plus ions only called what? Yes, pH. Okay, na? That is about answer. Please note down these all answers. Yes, level 2 completed, and next further we are going to the level 3. You try your level best about level 3. Easy questions are only there. IIT the advanced practice sheet, it will be there. Next further we go with the lecture number 3. Okay. Thank you, students. Bye. Take care. Biology class is there. After this, please stay in the class.